Hello, welcome to GG Study Circle Digital. Hello viewers, last session we are seeing some quick squares. In this session also we are going to find out some quick squares. How many numbers are in between 500 and 510? There are only 9 numbers. How can we find squares of such numbers? Suppose I want to find out square of 507. 507 square. How much greater than 500? 7 greater than 500. How many digits in 507? 3 digits. 7 square is 49. You write 0, 49. 49 has 3 digits. So 7 square is 49. You write in 3 digits 0, 49. That is last 3 digit of the square of 507. And how can you find the first part? You take this 50. 50 you make half of it. Half of it is 25. 25 and put 7. 25, 7 is first part and 049 is second part. So 2,57,049 is square of 507. How can we find square of 503? 503 square is 3 greater than 500. 3 square is 9. You write in 3 digits 009. And then 50 divided by 2, 25 and write 3 as it is, unit digit. 253,009 is square of 503. So we take another example, 509 square. How we can write 9 square? 9 square. Why we are taking 9 square here? 509 is 9 greater than 500. You take 9 square. 9 square is 81. You write in 3 digits 081. That is last part. And then first part is nothing but divide 50 by 2. That is 25. And write 9 as it is. 259 is this part. So comparing these two parts, we get the square of 509. That is 509 square is 25. And then this 9 is part. And that part is 9 square. With 3 digits you write 081. So likewise, we can find square of such numbers 5007, 5003, 5009 and then 50 lakhs 9, etc. So 5007. So here the same thing. How much it is greater than 5000? It is 7 greater than 5000. 7 square 49. 5007 is in 4 digits. You write this part is in 4 digits. 49 in 4 digits, you write 0049. That is this part is over. And then this part is, you divide 500 by 2. You get the quotient is 250. 250 and then take this 7 as it is. So 257,0049. That is 5007 square is 2507 with 0049 is second part. So likewise you can find 5003 square. Here 250 and then 3, 2503 and 3 is greater than 5000, 3 is greater than 5000 by 3. So here 2503 and 3 square you have to write in 4 digits 0009. So 5003 square is 2503 and then 09. So last one is 5009. 5009 square is 2509 and 0081. How? This one is 9 greater than 5000. Last part is 0081. Here this is in 4 digit. You have to write this is also in 4 digit 0081. And then 500 divided by 2, 250 and write 9 as it is 259 and then 0081. So in this one 50 lakhs 9 50 lakhs and 9 square. So in this case how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. How much greater than 5 lakhs 9 by 50 lakhs? Here 9 greater than 50 lakhs. So you have to take 81. 9 square is last part with 7 digits. So you have to put 50 on the left to 81. You get 00000081 is one part. And another part is you divide this 5 lakhs by 2. You get 2,50,000 and then you take this 9 as it is. So you get 25,000,009 and then 5081 is nothing but 50 lakhs 9 square. In this way we can find many squares, like first digit is 5, last is unit, non-zero unit digit, and then in between them are 0. If it is 100 digits, with 5 is first one and last is 9, and then here 98 zeros, you have to write here 25 with that one. Here it is 99. 99 digits are here. So here it is 99 means you have to write 27 with 97 zeros and then 9. And here also 97 zeros and then 81. So here you will get like this. So you make this one. Here 5 and 9. In between them there are 98 zeros. You have to write here 25 with 97 zeros with 9 and then 98 zeros with 81. So you have to take 98 zeros with 81. So this one is easy. So likewise, if suppose the numbers are in between 490 and 500, in that case also we can find. Here we want to find 494 square. How much less to 500? 6 less to 500. 494 in 3 digits. 6 less to 500, you take square of 6, 36, you write in 3 digits 036, and then you take this one 49. 49 divided by 2, 24 is quotient, you leave the remainder, you take only the quotient 24 and write 4 as it is. 244 and 036 is nothing but square of 494. If suppose I want to find 498 square, here 49. 49 divided by 2, the quotient is 24 and then the 8 as it is, and then how much less to 500? 2 less than to 500. So you write 2 square in 3 digits 004 and then 492 square. 492, how much less to 100? 500? 8 less to 500. You write 064 as last part and then 49 divided by 2. That is 24 is quotient, you write 24 and 2 as it is. So 242, 064 is square of 492. Suppose this number is in 4 digits. That is numbers between 4990 and 5000. In this case, 4996 square. Here also, how much less to 5000 this number? This number is 4 less than 5000. So you find 4 square. 4 square is 16. You write in 4 digits 0016. Here it is 4 less than to 5000. You write in 4 digit square of the digit. That is 4 square 0016. And here 499. You take this 499 and half of it, or you divide by 2. You get 249 is quotient and put 6 as it is. Put 6 as it is. Here you are taking how much plus to 5000 and here you are taking 6 as it is. It is, you should bear in mind. So answer is 2496 and then 0016 is answer for 4996 square. If suppose a 5 digit number, with starting with 4 and 8 is last digit, in between them all are 9s. In this case 14,998 square. Here also how much less to 50,000? 2 less than 5,000. How many digits in this number? 5 digits. So 2 square you write in 5 digits. 2 square is 4. You write in 4 digits. 40 with 4. And then you divide 4,999 divided by 2. You get 2499. 2499 and then write this 8 as it is. So 2499 and 8 as it is. And then 40 with 4 is square of 49,998 square. So suppose a big number like this, 4 and then 5 nines with 3. In this case, so here how much less than 2? This one is 50 lakhs. How much less than 50 lakhs? 7 less than 50 lakhs. So this one is 49 is square of 7 and you write in 7 digits. 5 zeros with 4 9. So you get 5 zeros with 4 9 is this part, and this part is you divide this number by 2 and obtain the quotient. This one is 24,999 and then also 49. 2 4 and 4 9 is nothing but half of this one, only the quotient, and then write 3 as it is. So this one is this part, first part, and this is second part. Combining these two, we get the square of 49,99,903 square. So it is a very big number, like such numbers. such numbers shown in this video will be very useful for you. Finding squares is also a magic, so we can use this device or use this idea to your schools and colleges wherever necessary. Definitely this helpful for you. Definitely it is helpful. So you use it and then you share it and like it and subscribe it. Also tell your friends to subscribe it. Also tell them to share it. Thank you, viewers.